this is Lina. Hi! Today I just turned on my camera is because I want to make this video. Pack with me! Where am I going? I am going to Mexico for the first time in my life! Yay! Mexico! Finally, I am going to visit Mexico for my friend Sol because she's been inviting me so many years, but I haven't visited her. I realized this is the time, so we're gonna meet in Cancun first, and then we're gonna go down to Tulum, and then we're also gonna go to Mexico City together where she lives. So today's video, you guys are gonna pack with me. Yay! Okay, let's get started. Now I have all my clothes already, so I'm just gonna pack it in the bag. Hopefully I don't need to take the smaller luggage with me, but I think I might need it. Yay! So the first clothes I'm gonna pack is this cowboy looking jacket, and my friend Sol said it's getting cold. I'm taking this one because it also feels like, I don't know, it feels like in Mexico it'll suit very well. And this one is cute K-pop looking outfit. It has everything that I love. Jeans and pink tweed and this shiny cute button. So I might use this one for like K-pop cover in Mexico. And then it has a set skirt. It's super cute. I love it. Also taking this one, you know, the aespa cover. This like K-pop looking pants just in case if I'm gonna cover something there. Oh no! Put it in the dryer. Does it look smaller? Okay, move on to the Tulum. And this one is, it feels very, I don't know, I love this aesthetic. So this one is like a wrap skirt. You can wear it at the beach, pool, anywhere. I'm just gonna take it because it's like, this one, this little shirt went with all of my trip this year. This one went to LA with me, Las Vegas, Dubai, and now this little one is going to Mexico as well. What a lucky shirt. Boom. And this is fun. So I had this salmon skin. It's a cheap and it's very addicting. So I got this one from Umami Cart in New York, Asian grocery shop. And I was having this one and I was so in love with this chip, and I think one day I posted on my IG story and Sol was like, oh my goodness, salmon skin chip sounds fantastic, I'm gonna try it. So I got 2 of these for Sol, you're welcome. And this one is one of my favorite, how do you say it? 조미료. 조미료 in English. My brain is not working right now. Seasoning. That's what I was trying to say. This is one of my favorite seasonings. It's called Everything Seasoning. I'm pretty sure you guys know about this one. This is pretty much everything is in it. I just got this one for Sol because she loves to cook as well. And this one is our swimming glasses. Sol said we need it, so I got this 2-pack from Amazon. So I'm taking this. And basically, I have another this cute bag from Korea. So it could like fold like this. Doesn't take much space. And I can just open it like accordion. And then you can use it as a bag. This is really comfy, especially when I go to the pool. So I'm gonna use this one. Genius! I'm so genius. Okay, move on to my pouch section. I like to travel with all these different pouches because It's really it could organize very well, especially you don't know where to put and if you move your hotel all the time. That's what we're gonna do during this trip. This first pouch is basically all I need in the bathroom. So this one, it has my hair oil, Korean one, and has my cleansing foam and my cleansing water, sunscreen, and then I'm also bringing my tanning oil. Oh my goodness, I need to sleep. I'm honestly super tired today because I had an audition this morning, so I had to prepare since 7 a.m. Here we go. I don't know if I'm gonna get some tan or not because it seems like it's gonna be raining the whole time while I'm there. Look at this, Cancun. Thunderstorm, rain, Tulum. Also rains a lot and thunderstorming. Wish me luck! Next pouch. Next pouch is basically all I need in the airplane. This one I got it from Turkish Airlines. Toothbrush and toothpaste, and it has socks, very fluffy socks, and perfume, and what do you call this one? Sleeping eye mask. Little gift for Seoul. I haven't seen her since 2016, guys. Can you guys believe it? So 2016, she came to visit me in New York, and ever since that, I haven't seen her. I can't believe it because we do FaceTime here and there. I didn't realize we haven't seen each other for so long because she was always in Mexico or in Korea, and if I was in Korea, she was in Mexico. If she was in Korea, I was in New York, and it was just like always. I realize as I'm getting older, it's really hard to see your friends very often if you don't live close enough, so it's kind of sad. Okay, I'm finally fully packed, and this is the important bag I call, and I have my laptop and all my important stuff and everything that I need from the flight is here. And then this one is like shoes, summer shoes, and snacks for Seoul. And I'm taking this vitamin C. I got it from Dubai because it really helped. Everything seasoning, and my pajamas here. And here, this bag, I wasn't gonna take it, but looks like I need an extra bag. This one is my accessories, all different chargers for camera. And this bag, I love this bag. I got it from LA Flea Market, and I think it'll fit super well in Mexico. I'm taking this one, GoPro, and another shoes, extra bag, and sleeper for the flight because I'm not taking business trip. I'm not taking business class, so here we go. I think I'm ready. I have to take a shower and go to the airport in 5 hours. See you there. Please stay tuned for my Mexico vlog, and I'll try to upload everything. Yay. Good night, and yay, can't wait! Mexico!